So this is the finished product. I made it into the shape by rolling it, and then I put it inside hot fry. The same way you make fries is the same way you do this. You put it in the hot oil and then you fry it. So I took the first taste, and the taste definitely did not bring back that nostalgic feeling. It didn't taste like the kokoro that I used to eat growing up. So maybe this is a different snack that I was never opportune to eat while when I lived in Nigeria. But the ones that are slightly burnt though showed a little bit of promise. Kind of crunchy, almost similar to fries. The thing is that with this, it's like you think, I need to have a side with it. So you think maybe I should have a side of something that has a bit sweet, maybe something that has a base of honey, or maybe have a side with something that has a base of tomato. So like ketchup, or you decide to make a little bit of marinara sauce, and then you have that with it. So that's what the ones that are burnt taste like. So what I want to do is, because I'm going to mention so many times that I'm kind of lazy, so I don't want to waste food. Again, my background. So I'm going to see if I throw these ones that are not as burnt into the oven, if it darkens up and tastes better. And if it does taste better, I'm going to come back to let you know. If not, then I won't return. Just so you know, if you do decide to go through with the follow her recipe and duplicate and replicate this whole thing that we just created here, I would recommend that you actually make this I don't know, this kokoro a little bit thinner. Don't make it as plump as I did. I did it because I said before, I don't really like spending so much time in the kitchen. I go into the kitchen, I get out. So make it a little bit thinner. So if it means, I used about a cup of cornmeal to do this. So maybe you will use maybe half a cup of cornmeal so that you can actually spend time breaking it up into little bits. So that's my only recommendation. So just a quick review. It was cornmeal, a little bit of pepper. I used cayenne pepper, and I didn't have sugar, so I used Truvia because I saw a sachet. I don't have sugar at home. I don't keep it in my house because it's tempting. So so Truvia, cornmeal, and pepper, and I mixed it together in the dry form, heated it up in boiling water, the same way you would make sadza or semovita or anything of that sort, gari. So now you make it that way, and then once it's all formed together, you take it out, wait for it to cool a little bit, put a little bit of flour in there, maybe about a teaspoon of flour on it, then break it into little bits, mold it, heat up your oil. Maybe I should have used a different kind of oil because I use vegetable oil. Maybe I should have used maybe peanut oil or something like that. I don't know. Heat up your oil and then throw the items in, fry it until it browns up to this level of brownness if you want to really enjoy it, and then take it out and then leave it to cool, and then you have your snack. And this is a filling snack because cornmeal is a bit heavy. Okay, so that's it. I hope you enjoyed this review, and will I make this again? Probably not. Well, actually, I'll make it one more time just to to play with things a bit, but I will not record it. Okay, till next time. Bye.